Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a paper vase. First, gather your materials. You'll need a few sheets of paper, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. Don't forget some glue or double-sided tape to hold everything together. Selecting paper with a weight between 80 and 120 GSM works best for structural integrity. This simple method is perfect for beginners and yields beautiful results. Let's get started with the first steps. Now, let's prepare our paper strips. Begin by cutting your chosen paper into uniform strips, each measuring about 2 inches wide and 10 inches long. Precision here helps with the final look. Next, take each strip and fold it lengthwise, ensuring you create a very crisp crease right down the middle. Finally, fold the ends of each strip inward, forming small triangular tabs on both sides. These tabs are crucial for connecting the pieces. With your folded strips ready, it's time to assemble the vase. Start by interlocking the triangular tabs of 2 strips, applying a small amount of glue to secure them firmly. Continue this process, connecting more strips to form a circular base. Once your base is stable, begin building upwards, adding layers of connected strips. You'll see your vase take shape as you increase the height, creating a unique and sturdy structure. Your paper vase is now complete. This is where you can truly personalize it. Feel free to decorate your vase with paint, markers, or even some glitter to match your home decor. If you plan to use it with real flowers, remember to add a waterproof lining inside to protect the paper. It's a fantastic way to add a handmade touch to any room. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.